Hi guys. Hi guys, I'm playing Granny. Sing again. Cause I'm not. Granny and Grandpa, where are you? I'm gonna eat you. I'm gonna eat you like a pancake. Gonna eat you like a pancake, Granny. Granny, where are you? Zach! Ah! Granny, you can get me now. Ha. I can't even remember if this is practice or not. Damn. Okay, let's practice. Come on. Easy. I didn't know. I should have known because I didn't say day 1 or 2. Like, it didn't even say a day, so. I'm gonna go see Granny and Grandpa today. Let's go. Granny, where are you, Granny? Hey, Grandpa. Where's Granny? Granny. Granny, where are you? Granny, you cannot get me anymore. Haha. See, Granny. I'm unstoppable. Like, Granny cannot get me. Like, she's so bad. What's that? Ew, door lock. Why would I need a door lock? Like, lock Granny out? I think it's smart. Whoever made that door lock, it's like really smart. Hey, Grampy. We're back. Ah. Hi guys. I'm playing Granny. Sing again. Cause I'm not. Granny and Grandpa, where are you? I'm gonna eat you. I'm gonna eat you like a pancake. Gonna eat you like a pancake, Granny. Granny, where are you? Zach! Ah! Granny, you can get me now. Ha. I can't even remember if this is practice or not. Damn. Okay, let's practice. Come on. Easy. I didn't know. I should have known because I didn't say day 1 or 2. Like, it didn't even say a day, so. I'm gonna go see Granny and Grandpa today. Let's go. Granny, where are you, Granny? Hey, Grandpa. Where's Granny? Granny. Granny, where are you? Granny, you cannot get me anymore. Haha. See, Granny. I'm unstoppable. Like, Granny cannot get me. Like, she's so bad. What's that? Ew, door lock. Why would I need a door lock? Like, lock Granny out? I think it's smart. Whoever made that door lock, it's like really smart. Hey, Grampy. We're back. Hi, this is Breakthrough. Last time was like way too scary. Like, I don't really get scared though, but it's just like I don't like that one. This one's way easier. Why is it on extreme? No, I never clicked that. I don't like that. Okay, like easy. Next freaking stars. Opportunity to get a bonus day. And Granny moves a bit slower. That's good. over here, sorry. Oh, she's so cute. Chloe. Yeah, Charlie. Where is he? Sad but man, where are you? Can't find him. My friend made a video on TikTok. TikTok is fun times. Oh, one I think. And she said this is Granny's mom's ashes. So, bye bye. Granny, you got lady. Granny, where are you? Don't say. You know what? No. 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 Don't like that. I like the music though. It's great. I like high quality, but like it's on low because I don't know. Do it. Boom. Boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka. Chloe, can you please? Okay, you're gonna sit with me. Granny, 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 Granny. I heard she spawned in the basement. Really told me that like a year ago, so I'm not sure if that's true, but. I am not getting out of here. I think my life depended on it. Maybe if my life depended. Like, still, Granny would get me. Ew, what's this? My neck! I think I just broke my neck. I think I broke my neck. Chloe, stop giving me that side eye. Chloe's giving me a side eye. She's like really side eyeing me. And I don't like it. Like, it's cute, but like, I have to leave this house, yeah. Ooh, Granny's mom's ashes. Yes, Queen Slut! Haha, Granny, you're so bad. Can't even open a door. Granny, come get me. You know what? I'm not scared of this. You know what? I'm gonna play Granny. I have Granny 3, but like Granny 2. Like, I'm gonna play it. Quality a bit low, just because I don't want it to like glitch out my thing. Both? Should I? I'm gonna do it. Boom! Boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka. Ew! I don't really know how to do this, but okay. I'm really scared. You know what? Why am I scared? Why am I scared? What kind of doorbell? Why is there like a pokey thing? Where's the door lock? Granny! Where'd the sweet door lock go? Huh? Owie, my butt! Grandpa, no. 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 What should I play? Baby in Yellow. Do it. Yeah, I'm not doing that. No. Never doing that. That's too poo-poo. You know what? I already finished this game, but like I'm gonna play it again. I'm gonna play it again. Nope. Cannot show you that. Okay. Back. We're back. Wait. I am gonna win this game. I'm not gonna scream. I'm not gonna cry. Maybe I'll scream, but like, who cares? I'm gonna be with Newt again in the Black Cat update. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I hit. Okay, that's over. No. I'm gonna. No, still a chapter. Curiosity, right here. Yeah. Not another ad. Please, not another ad. Please, not another ad. What the? Okay. No! Finally, it's over. Okay. Black Cat update. Let's go. Owie, you broke my... I think you broke my skull, Cat. Cat, you broke my skull. Where'd you go, you stupid cat? Oh, I see you. I see you. I see you. I see you. It's like... I don't care if it's not the right one. This one goes here. It's here. Let me look on the floor for these stupid books. No, it's not on the floor, but like, still. I like the floor. That probably sounded really weird. Don't ask me any questions. Oh, there's a book. A stinky book. Hello, cat. I'm going to eat your butt. Cat! That's how fast I can do this. Go boom boom. Pick up some coal. Feed the furnace. Feed it some yum yums. Feed the furnace the yum yums that it needs. I might need it really long thing. Eat the yum yums. Yay. Don't tell me it's another ad. Please, please, please. Please don't be another ad. Please don't be another ad. Every time when I get in here, it's always an ad. Yep. Cat! No! Sorry, I paused the video. I definitely stopped it. I paused it. I unpaused it, but I didn't fix that. Owie! Oh my gosh, why is there wine over here? Let's put it. Where's that dumb cat? I think it's over here. Hey, where's the dumb cat? You over here, dumb cat? Where's the dumb cat? Where are you, stupid cat? In here? No. Stupid cat. Where are you? Come in, stupid cat. What? Oh, there's Newt. Ha. Ha. I can beat that little, like, mini game I have to do. I can beat it in, like, 2 seconds. You know what I'm talking about. Like, where you have to charge up his battery. Or whatever. Look at this. Gonna charge him up. Booty doody. Why is he cross-eyed? Why he look like that? Why does he look like that? New, why do you look like you're drunk? Do I have to bleep it out? Probably, because YouTube is probably gonna kill me if I say that. If I say the word drunk. Because YouTube is really dumb. Sue me for just saying that. Okay, just stop. Just stop saying that. I have Newt. Okay, start the minigame already. Minigame. You're like, I'm really good at this. See? I already did the first one. Newt, you're annoying. You're messing me up. Your noises are so stupid. Newt. You stupid noises! Because I'm usually like really good at this. I don't know what happened. Oh my god. No! Finally, I got it. Totally didn't just take too much tries. I just didn't think of it. I'm gonna go grab you some ink, Newt. Stop coughing, you're fine. Newt, I swear, if you keep coughing and then it gets to me, I'm gonna kill you. Oh my gosh! Newt, stop! You're fine, Newt. Now I gotta fix his head. Okay, now. Oh, we gotta get your new butt. Why do we have to give him a new butt? That's stupid. Ha! Stay there. Well, I can't leave him right outside. Wrong way. Hello, tiny baby. I saw the tiny baby. Okay. You have to get whatever. No! Don't tell me it's another ad. Don't tell me. Don't tell me. Don't tell. Don't tell me. Okay. Yay. Where's... Got it. Now, Newt. Newt, you're very annoying. So. Oh my gosh. That's like so inappropriate right now. Like, why? Why? It's so beautiful. No, it's not. Okay. Goodbye, Newt's booty. Say goodbye to Newt's butt. Because I just dropped it. Like, actually, I did. On the floor. Newt, you're gonna go in your stupid little door. Okay, go in the room. I'm gonna put your butt there. Your body. Now we're gonna get your butt. Don't ask why your butt's in here. I'll explain that to you another time. Maybe in a few years. Well, this is gonna be a longer video than usual because it's... Get your butt smacked. Get your butt smacked. Bye. Newt, where'd you go, dummy? Okay. I'm not helping you. I don't care if you want a wrench. I'm not getting it. Good thing that you're cute. But I'm never getting you anything again. Never getting you anything ever again. Never ever again. I'm never going to give you... You want that, I know you do. I'm never giving you anything else. Ever again. I'm never going to do it. Nope, I'm not going to do it. I'm going to hit you with this stupid hammer. I'm going to hit you with it. I'm going to hit you with the hammer. I'm going to hit you with the hammer. I'm going to... Wait, let's go. Wait a minute. Note. Just shake you up. Just shake you. Shake it. Nice. Plug you in. I'm going to leave you now. Get me this thing. No, I'm not killing it. I'm going to beat this thing on myself. Ah! Why did that look way weirder than I thought it would? Like, I've played this before, but, like, why does it always look weird to me? Yo, what the heck? Oh my gosh, I love bubbles! Bubbles, yay! How much do you bet there's gonna be a jump scare in, like, 2 seconds? Whoa! Whispers of the Demons! Jump! There you go. Oh my god! Oh. Yummus. Yum yum. Yum yum. Yummy yummy. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it, you dumb baby. Newt! Newt was in there! Newt! Turn me on like a light switch. Wait! Super intense chasing. Do 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 do. I got him! I got him! Life goes la-di-da-di-da-di-da-di-da-di-da-di-da-di-da. Wait a minute, I shouldn't be saying that. That's Oliver Tree. Oliver Tree's poo-poo. Melanie is amazing, though. Wait! Ha! Go in, dude. That YouTuber, Dak Blake, he liked you. I don't really like you, but you're not the best. Ha! Weird. I don't know where she went. She went over here. She went down here. Gotta climb down really slow. Oh my god! Okay. Look at this room! It's my demon lair. Demon slayer, guys. I'm seeing nobody right there. Open. Put the camera filming. Wait a minute! Wait a minute! Why is it? Wait a minute, that's creepy. What the? I didn't take a picture of it. Okay. So, that's creepy. I'm gonna get some more film. I have no care in you, baby. Where's the plant? Where's the plant? Where's the plant? So we gotta close this door. Once I get in, close it. It's dark now. Do you hear? Ha! Pick up my phone. That and this. I'm making some smoothie today. I want to look at my beautiful picture of a lover. What the? Why are there leather? Wow, beautiful. I like trees. Because I speak for the trees. I'm the lyrics. How can I be? I speak for those trees right there. You see that? It's right there. I'm gonna beat up you. Stupid thing. Nerd. Beat it up. Spray it with the bug spray. Yay. I didn't even film this entire thing and it's already been 12 minutes. This is so weird. If you're in the comments, put who, if you're in the comments, tell me who, watched the YouTube channel of Bracer Girl. I want to know. But no, that's the wrong one. It's this one. Because I'm actually, secretly, Tommy. Tommy from the Bracer Girl. You can't really hear it with, like, the effect in my voice. I don't know why I added it. Just go. Okay, a bottle for the baby. You're gonna be, like, really chubby, okay, baby? You'll become really chubby. Really chubby. Like the baby really, like this baby is like too chubby to be real. Let's go. Really? Here. Go here. I don't feel the need. I need to pick you up. I see the flower. Let's go. Sorry, I'm tired. I forgot to turn that time. It's gonna beat you up, flower. Boom, 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 boom. Step it up. Get the bug spray note. Like I have said. Boom, boom, boom. The big note. Note, I swear. Note, I swear. Can you just shut up, Note? Note. Note, I will grab that stupid baby. Can you just shut up yourself? I got the baby, stupid Note. Note. I'll give you the baby. Follow me, Newt. Follow me. I get it. We're going to shoot the baby outside of the cannon. We're gonna light it on fire, shoot it in the cannon. It's really annoying. Let's get the flower and we can beat up that baby. Newt, kill it. Do this, take it. Do this, take it. Ew! Guys, look, I'm Michael laughing with the remnant. Ennard gave it to me. Hello, Ennard. Ennard, I'm sorry, Ennard. Owie. Oh my gosh, Stranger Things. Woo! I'm in the upside down. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, what do I do? What do I do? Oh my gosh, is that Hopper's palace? Oh my god. What happened? Ah! Remnant. I think I'm gonna be more of whoever's name is William because I have more remnants. Oh my gosh. Boom. Boom, I think this will make yellow. It does. It makes yellow. Where's it? Where'd you put the baby? You light it on fire. It's on fire. Okay, I guess that you have 11 powers, but like you had to do that. Like, oh my gosh, it's Vecna. He's on fire. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted for saying. Open. We're gonna steal a newt. Let's go. It smells like feet. Huh? Get the kitchen! Get in the kitchen! Where's the kitchen? I forgot where the kitchen is. No! Open the kitchen. I don't like this. Ah, my face! My face! Why do you look like Ghostface? Why do he look like Ghostface? Open the doors to heaven. Oh. What's this? Hello. I did it. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Helicopter. Oh no. Retrieve the core. I'm gonna get that. Get that and go and get it. Go and get it. Get it. Oh. Okay. Ha! Got him. The door's locked. Right here. Where's the door? Get a boost. Okay. Wow! It's Puppy Playtime 3! I swear if there's another ad. I'm allergic to ads, by the way. See guys, I'm allergic to ads. I almost died. So like, turn it off. Get it outside. Woo! Nice eyes. Person, baby, whatever your name is. I'm gonna call you Nathaniel. Nathaniel. Why do you do that, Nathaniel? Nathaniel! You're so rude, Nathaniel. And that cat, I'm gonna call it Gilbert. Gilbert and Nathaniel. Ha! Do. Split up! Oh my gosh! I just wanna roll, double. Really, Newt. You had to just leave this here. You had to just leave. Why can't I go back to the house? The house is stinking. No, where are you? Where are you? You used to be there. Oh shoot, no. Ha. Did it. I love it. Ah. What is it? Oh. Bye, Tiny Tim. I'm gonna call you Tiny Tim. Whoa. Timothy. No, Timothy. I don't care. But actually, kind of sad to see Timothy gone. Bye, Timothy. I don't really care. Timothy. But. Ha! He's gone. Bye, Timothy. Bye, Timothy. Bye, Nathaniel. Bye, what did I call him? Jason. No. I'm gonna call him Michael. I'm gonna call the cat Michael. Yeah. We did it! Yay! We won. I won. I did it. Just by myself. All by myself. And you guys have too, because you guys are so cool. Nathaniel! There's like 30 of them! I think I just cracked my head. Oh my gosh.